Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Halorosevlog. Today guys, I'm gonna share you about my menu about very healthy, good for your health. And then this is this time I'm gonna share to you. I need to give you instruction. I hope you can follow it. Okay, this is my menu today is about kale and quinoa salad with tofu. Okay, and miso. The ingredients are 1/2 cup of quinoa, rinse and drain, 2 tablespoons of unseasoned rice vinegar, 1 and 1/2 tablespoon white miso, 1 tablespoon mirin, 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil, 6 tablespoon grapeseed oil or olive oil, and then 1/2 teaspoon sriracha plus more of drizzling. And then 1 and 1/2 piece of fresh ginger peeled in finely julienne or grated. Okay, 1 small bunch, grated is okay for me. 1 small bunch of curly kale ribs, remove leaves, chop, and then about 4 pack cups. Okay, that kale. It's a, and then 14 ounce package extra firm tofu, and drain and cut into 3/4 inch cubes, and then honey or maple syrup for serving. Okay, so that's the ingredients guys. So we're going to the method. Okay, in a small saucepan, combine the quinoa with 3/4 cup of water, bring to a boil over high heat, then cover and cook over medium low until the water is absorbed 10 to 12 minutes. Turn off the heat and let sit for 10 minutes. Flop it with a fork. Okay, meanwhile in a large bowl, whisk together the vinegar, miso, mirin, sesame oil, 2 tablespoons, grapeseed oil or olive oil, and 1/2 teaspoon sriracha. Stir in the ginger. So that is the dressings, guys. Okay? The step 2. The step 3 is add the kale, massage it with the dressing, and set aside to marinate. Spoon the cooked quinoa onto the kale and toast to coat. Step 4, in a non-sticky skillet, heat the remaining 4 tablespoon grapeseed or olive oil over medium. When the oil simmers, cook the tofu, turning occasionally until crisp on all sides. About 15 minutes, and transfer to paper towel line plate to absorb any excess oil. Then scatter it over the kale salad, drizzle lightly with sriracha and honey, and serve immediately. That's all guys. That is my healthy menu today. Okay, I hope you follow it. Thank you. Enjoy cooking and God bless. Make sure of the salt. The kale salad, not yet washed. You can wash it and dry. It's already washed. It's already washed. Okay. So we need some dressing for the kale and quinoa salad, guys. Okay. We need some olive oil, sesame oil, mirin, vinegar, rice vinegar, and white miso. Okay. Need some 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Sesame oil, 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Sriracha. Estimate lang guys. This sriracha. Teaspoon or more. Like that. miso, 1 in 1. 1 miso. I need 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. Estimate lang. You need to be estimate, guys. Okay. Mix it up. 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Six. Mix it up. Ito yung kanyang dressings. Now, after you make the dressing, you put this in the kale and then getting shrimp, guys, you must set it in the juice. I think need more some leaves. Shrimp na siya.
ginger ko pa.
Ayan guys. Saskia. Saskia. Yapsum. Tofu. Fry the tofu. And then the oil. And then fry it as